Hey y'all, it's your girl Nita Raine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you are old here, thank you for always hanging out with your girl, okay? Today, I am going to create this beautiful floral arrangement. But before we do that, let's get into this intro video, guys, okay? Okay. Okay guys, so we are going to make this beautiful floral arrangement. I got these two teardrops from Joann's. They each were, I think, $35, and I got them at a discounted price. So I got a pretty great deal. I'm just going to cut the tags off, make sure they're not hanging off or hanging on. And so guys, to begin this process, you are going to need a styrofoam board. It really doesn't matter how big they are, just make sure they fit. And also you're going to need some zip ties. Make sure your zip ties are long enough so that they can wrap around your board and your flowers. So when you have everything ready, you're going to grab your board, grab one teardrop and place it on one end of your board. After you've done that, just make sure that is placed on right. If you have to pick it up to turn and twist and make sure that it's positioned right, make sure you do so. So I am going to grab my zip tie and place it from the bottom of my board and just bring it around to secure my teardrop and just tie it down. So my zip ties ended up not fitting around my board. I had to make a few loops and yeah, just kind of hook them through each other to try to make a length that fit around my board. So when you do get yours, make sure it's long enough. It's better long than too short, so make sure they're long. So I finally got it, and I'm just going to place my zip tie, like I said, from underneath my board and around my flower. I got it. So I was able to just wrap it around. As you can see, my teardrop is secured, it's good, it's not moving, and yeah, that's how you do it. And I'm just going to cut all these loose ends off so they're not sticking out of my flowers. So yeah, so when you're done with that side, you are pretty much going to grab your other piece and place it on the other end of the board and pretty much just repeat the process. Yes. So we still have so much more to do to this, guys, so stay tuned. And like I said before, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're old here, thank you for tuning in. So I picked up a few flowers from Joann, some green, some pink, some blue, but whatever color that you want to do, it's up to you. So I'm going to make an extra extension of my zip ties and place this in the middle of my board just to make sure that my floral arrangement is completely secured, it's not going anywhere. So if you have another zip tie, just place it in the middle, zip it down, tie it down, whatever, just to make sure that it is nice and tight. So I am just going to add flowers all around my board or my foam, my styrofoam. I don't know what that thing is called, but you get it. So I'm gonna start off with my green plants from the bottom. I did get the pre-made teardrop flowers, so I want to match the base just so they're all uniform. But whatever you have, you can start off with that. So I'm gonna grab my wire cutter and just cut the flowers off. Make sure that your ends look just like this because you're gonna need them to poke into the base. Now I'm just gonna start from the bottom and place the stems into the base all around. I'm going to add more green to the bottom. I will say buy you some extra flowers just in case you need more. So at this point, if you feel like your base is not full enough, you can go ahead and add more flowers or green or whatever you added to the base. That's on you. But I think mine is full enough with the green. I still have the pink, I still have the blue, and I still have some whites to add in. So I'm just gonna stay off the green for now. Now, placing your flowers is totally up to you. You can place it wherever and however you want to. I wanted all my color flowers in the middle, centered, and that's what I'm doing. So I got some accent flowers. I'm just gonna cut these and add them all over my bouquet just to give it a little pretty vibe. And yeah, at this point you have your flowers, you have the color, textures, whatever you have, you're just styling it however you want. You're placing your flowers wherever you want, and it's totally up to you. So I'm just doing some finishing touches to the bottom, guys, to make it fuller. And here you go. Yes. If you guys have any questions, please, please, please comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know.